Balita, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here. We're here sa Photo World Asia 2026. So this is their second day. So pumunta na kayo ngayon dito sa Glorieta Activity Center hanggang Sunday to. At we're gonna check it out yung ano ba meron dito sa mga camera brands at mga booth dito. Okay, let's check it out. Pasok tayo. So we have Camera House, Sony, Godox, Fujifilm, Canon, Instax, JG Superstore, Henry's, at marami pang iba pa. Let's check it out, yo. Silipin natin yung mga booth. And we have a goodie bag from Fujifilm. Thank you. May pa t-shirt. May pa... Ano to? May socks ba to? Ano may socks? Ito talaga? Pang department store level, ha? At meron silang Fujifilm Konbini na cafe. Nice. Ay, ang galing! Ay, grabe! Ganda naman. I like your vest. Ganda yung vest nyo. Ganda! Ganda. Galing oh, ganda naman ito. Thank you. Ay, ganda ng t-shirt nyo. Here's their Fujifilm Express service. Palinis ng camera at lenses. Ito, may nabudol dito. Oh. It's Christmas Day! So, they are selling mga used camera. Oh my God. So, second hand to. This one is Fujifilm X-T30. Bakit 270,000? Ano to? Minimum mo 270,000 pesos. Freebie! Pag naka 270,000 pesos ka, you get free cameras. Shucks, grabe. Oh my God.
introduce myself. I am Dax from the Baby Village, together with my partner, Sir Ron. Yan. And then, photography. Di ba parang ang hirap niya kasi minsan yung iba natatakot. Natatakot sila like, hala, then yung
Alright,
tension
thank you,
mostly
Amaran.
to-
Meron din akong kasamang
Yun yung
captain.
importante. Kasi baka mamaya, bida-bida kayo
Actually, isa to sa pinakamahalagang project na nagawa ko, no. Hindi ko napapakita lahat ng images, no, pero yan. Tapos ito mga works na na-publish dun sa YouTube.
Alright, that's the end of my video here sa Photo World Asia 2026. Kita-kits tayo next year. Tayo nabudol ngayon, no? Pero maraming salamat kay Amaran tsaka kay Fujifilm for this mga freebies na binigay nila. At na-meet natin yung mga friends natin sa photography tsaka vlogging community. Nice to see you guys. So kita-kits tayo next year. Hindi na ako nakapag-check ng mga gadget kasi maraming tao. And ito yung parang sabi nga ni Richmond Chi, ito yung aming Comic-Con ng camera at photography world. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And see you guys at the next video vlog. Photo World, see you next year.